So our background is the why the students of Tech Millennium doesn't pay attention during class. And 5 examples of these are: number one, that they're always asleep. Number two, they're always on their cell phones. Number three, they're talking to each other during class. Number four, they always eat. And number five, they play video games.
So what else can we study based on our research? So we choose 5 topics. Number one is the lack of good teachers in Tech Millennium. The second one is, does the system really works, the aula invertida? Third one is what classes are better for the students. The fourth one is the attention level, comparing it to traditional bilingual, and the final one is the use of tables of 6 in the high school. And why do we want to research these topics? Is because it serves us to go even deeper in our research, that is the lack of attention in Tech Millennium students. So if we go even deeper, we can really know what is the main cause of this problem.
Okay. The objectives of our investigation is to understand why students of Tech Millennium doesn't pay attention during class, and to know why this affects our learning process and give some strategies about it.
Okay, well, for our work, we took in consideration all the population here in Tech Millennium, but we focused only on one specific group, that are the students in last semester, in this case on sixth semester. But why? Well, we took in consideration this little population in Tech Millennium because they have similar interests, and they have similar lifestyle here inside Tech Millennium, similar teachers, subjects, and also we all are searching for a university and that stuff. So we share some characteristics that could differentiate us from all the other population here in Tech Millennium. So that's why we took in consideration only the students in sixth semester. Okay, inside our research project there are some variables that could affect in a positive or in a negative way our objective of the work we made. So we have a list of variables that we list. One of them is that students start to lose the interest in the class. So thanks to that, they start talking about other topics. They start to look at their phones. They also sleep in class. So these variables make the student concentrate in the class. Well, these variables are divided in 2 groups: the independent variable and the dependent variable. The independent variable, for example, is the diet of the student, because food have also the diet of the students have some effects on their learning process. Also, the sleep hours they have, also it could influence the learning process of the student. Also the teachers, if the teacher is a good teacher and the teacher can control the class, or if it's a teacher that they also stand up in front of the class and start talking without caring if the students are talking or paying attention, and also the topics, because now we as the higher grade in Tech Millennium, as students of 6th semester, we have some topics that interest each one of us. Because, for example, if I want to study mathematics, the topics that I have interest on are mathematics, physics, and all those scientific topics. But the social topics could not interest me a lot like the other ones. And there are also the dependent variables like the interest that I have in the class and the grades that I have in all my high school.
Our research scope are the Tech Millennium students, as it helps the community to maybe make some of the changes in the way things are done so that the problem can be solved and students could pay more attention in classes. First, we observe the problems in our classroom, choose the research topic, then analyze in a deeper way the factors that could be causing students to not pay attention in classes. Make the survey, ask people to make the survey, collect the results, analyze the results, make some conclusions, and see if our hypothesis was correct. The instrument used to collect data was a survey, since it was more easier and faster to get everyone's opinion on this topic. Our questions were: how old are you? How much hours do you sleep at night? How many times per day do you eat? In which classes do you really pay attention? Is the teacher a factor in how much attention do you pay at classes? And how many hours per day do you use your cell phones? The main results we could observe from this experiment were that all of the factors we thought that affected the students were not affecting them. Actually, only the phone, the hours they spend in their phone, are the ones that affect them. Most of them don't think that they don't pay attention. They think they do pay attention. So it was a little bit like different from what we thought.
The way we could apply the new knowledge would be in society, analyzing other schools in other regions, developing the right activities for good health and to improve students' performance in school. We could also use our results that let us know that the ambience also affects the way students develop in the classroom to find new ways in which they could use this situation to affect them in a positive way and not the opposite. Because teachers are another factor that affects students, the new knowledge could also be used to analyze not only students but the teachers and to create some kind of programs or a course to teach them how to transmit what they know in the right way, considering the necessary factors like the different kinds of knowledge and learning.
We think that some of the detractors that could definitely go with our results would be scientists, psychologists, doctors, or just someone that has previous knowledge about these topics and about other factors that can cause these kinds of problems. Or even students themselves by saying or somehow proving that there are some other reasons that could be causing these kinds of problems. Or for example, sometimes they are actually paying attention but it seems like they're not.